Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. So OnePlus has started rolling out March 2026 SOTA update for all OnePlus devices. Yesterday, all my devices like OnePlus 11R, 12R, OnePlus Nord 5 and OnePlus 13R started to receive this small 250 MB new SOTA version update V50P02. My OnePlus 12R was on OxygenOS 16.0.3 V500 with the SOTA version EX01 B40P02, and this device started to receive this new 300 MB SOTA version B50P02 via beta update section. Next, my OnePlus 11R running on the OxygenOS 16.0.3 V501 with the SOTA B40P02 started to receive SOTA B50P02. The OnePlus Nord 5 also started to receive the same update, and even my OnePlus 13R also got the same update. So it's confirmed that this is the new March 2026 SOTA update. I updated all my devices with this update, and today we are going to review the new features of this update and some bugs related to OnePlus 11R. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, we will check out the device details of all our devices to see the new changes. The first one is OnePlus 12R software update section. It is now updated to OxygenOS 16.0.3 V500 and the SOTA version number is B50P02. Except for the SOTA version, nothing has been changed here. Android security patches are still from the February 2026. Next, for OnePlus 11R, the OxygenOS version is 16.0.3 V501. And its SOTA version number is updated to B50P02. This version has same changelog for all of my devices. This device got the mass security patches in the last update, so it's now up to date. Next, my OnePlus Nord 5 has this OxygenOS version 16.0.2 V400, which is the oldest one, but the SOTA version is upgraded to V50P02. Security patches are still old from the January 2026, so basically only SOTA number is updated on all devices, other things are same as the old build. Let's check out the new features of this version. Remember, all of my 4 devices have same changelog, so the changes are the same for all devices. The first feature is related to Content Portal. You'll find this feature in the settings under the Accessibility and Convenience option. This application is very useful to share the content from any application using drag and drop feature. Now it's supporting the sharing with the cloned applications also. If you have cloned applications, Content Portal will show you both the original and cloned versions of the application when you share the content. Next, OnePlus Share feature got the new toggle that automatically opens the received file. If you enable this toggle, any content received from other OnePlus devices or any other device will automatically opens when you receive it. Apart from this, the update is optimized for the better stability, performance and the battery life. OnePlus 11R already has some major issues that we discussed in the last 2 videos. Let's check out whether they are still exist in this version or not. The first bug from the old OxygenOS build is that it did not add the new pop-out feature for collage photos, and it is still not available in this version also. Next, BGMI is again not working at 120 fps even if you set the 120 fps refresh rate in the graphics and game assistant setting. It is still working between 60 to 90 fps. This is very disappointing that OnePlus is still not solving the major issues of OnePlus 11R even after we reported them to OnePlus team. In my opinion, OnePlus must provide the latest security patches for all devices along with these SOTA updates. OnePlus has not created any official post for the March SOTA update. You will only find the February SOTA update link on the OnePlus community. But once I get the details about this update like eligible devices, timeline and the features, I will release the separate video on official SOTA update post. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.